What's up, everybody? This is a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited with a 3.5 liter engine and all-wheel drive. The problem with this car was we had a really bad torque steer when driving. It was really noticeable. Every time you gave gas, the steering wheel would turn left by itself, and when you let go of the gas, it would turn back to the middll. Really hard for us to diagnose. It's been a few weeks now. It got diagnosed as shocks before because you hear some clunking. I thought it would be a ball joint issue or a bushing issue. We checked everything. Nothing was really showing. So I went to the motor mounts. We replaced the motor mounts. It helped a little bit, especially this back motor mount, these four-wheel drives. It's a really weird setup. Helped a little bit, but upon further inspections, I finally found the issue. It is this bottom right ball joint over here. So when I applied a pry bar to it, it didn't have play before. I think it was minimal play before. You can kind of hear it. You can kind of see the wheel moving as well. I don't know if you can tell on video, but yeah, the wheel is moving a lot. So 90% sure that's the issue. I just found it. So make sure you check your ball joints really well with the good pry bar. The right one had play, the left one was fine. After replacing the motor mounts, I didn't even know if we needed to do that. I feel like we still did. I feel like they were kind of weak, and the steering did get better after replacing the motor mounts, but that control arm is what you're looking at, all right? We're gonna replace that control arm, and I'm fairly certain that swaying or that steering pull is gonna go away. And because this car is a 3.5 liter V6, it has a lot of power, that's why we have so much of that torque steer. So I hope this video can help someone out when they have that torque steer. You can kind of see when I give gas, the wheel just turns to the right. When I brake, it comes back to the middle. So you can see it. That's not me turning the wheel, that's actually the wheel turning itself under acceleration. So it's actually much better now. The car is actually manageable. That's why I think that the engine mount was bad as well. That bad engine mount was causing a lot of torque here too. When I was doing this before with this car, when I gave gas, it would go all the way like that, and then it would come back. So look at both your engine mounts and ball joints, but specifically your ball joints. That's gonna fix the rest of this steering pull. And the reason I'm making this video was been trying to diagnose this car for about a week, looking through every single suspension component, couldn't find anything until just now. So that's all I have for you right now. If there's anything that I missed or you want to add, please put it in the comments below. Stay tuned for my video on how to replace that lower control arm. That'll be coming up shortly. Until next time, peace.